Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and whether you're an expert or a beginner at chess and checkers, you are definitely going to want a nice quality set. And this set from PLAYVIBE is perfect no matter what your expertise level is. Personally, in our family, we love to play checkers, but we never had our own board. But we really wanted to get into learning how to play chess too. So this set here combined the best of both worlds for us. The first thing that I noticed in this set is just the very nice quality that it was. The board itself is made of a beautiful wood. It's very lightweight but sturdy. I also love that it was foldable, so it made it portable, and it stored all of the pieces for both chess and checkers all inside the board. The pieces fit so nicely inside the foam. They're very nice and protected, and each piece has its spot, which I absolutely love. The pieces are handcrafted in a beautiful quality. Each of them has a little felt pad on the bottom, which makes them easy to slide across the board, but also prevents scratching. I love that they're lightweight, but still very solid and well made. This has been a great bonding experience too. So if you don't know how to play, it's awesome to learn as a family. We have been taking each individual chess piece and really trying to learn all of its possibilities, learn which direction it can move, learn how many spaces, and just work together to try to master the game. This would be such a nice gift for either a kid or an adult at any expertise level, whether in checkers or chess, somebody just that likes to play games. It does come with a set of instructions, which have been really helpful for us as we learn as well. If you're looking for a beautifully crafted, fun, and portable chess and checker set, this one from PLAYVIBE should be your top choice. But that's just our point of view.